Hello friends. Today I want to offer you a simple pork recipe perfect for cooking in winter. Aspic is a jelly-like dish made from meat broth. It gets its name from the word cold and is traditionally served in European Slavic countries during the winter holidays. When served, the jellied meat has the shape of a bowl in which it was cooled. Pieces of meat are clearly visible through the transparent jelly, turned into broth. Jellied meat is served cold as a main dish or an appetizer with hot mustard or strong horseradish sauce. Today we will prepare a special jellied meat that combines pork, Provencal herbs, black pepper, garlic and green young peas. It tastes amazingly good and looks great. What you need for jellied meat: 2 to 3 tablespoons of salt, 1 garlic onion, 2 onions, 2 kilograms 70 ounces pork knuckle, bay leaf, 20 pieces black peppercorns, 10 grams 0.35 ounces Provencal herbs, 10 grams 0.35 ounces ground black pepper, 200 grams 7 ounces green peas. Cooking: peel and rinse the pork thoroughly. Place the pork in a skillet of boiling water. Add bay leaves, black peppercorns, onions. Cover the skillet with a lid and cook over low heat for 2 to 3 hours, stirring occasionally. Salt the broth, leave in a cool place to cool. Clear the broth from the frozen fat, heat a little. Remove the pork from the broth and chop finely. Add spices and 4 to 5 cloves of garlic. If you want a strong jelly, add a tablespoon or a plate of gelatin to the broth. Spread the pork evenly in a bowl. Pour the broth above. Spread out the green peas and then lay out the pork again. Place the bowl in the refrigerator until the jellied meat is completely solidified. Serve with horseradish or mustard sauce. Bon appetit! Delicious impressions. Do you have a favorite recipe for jellied meat? If so, let us know in the comments below.